to the shareholder company language in reference to coalition agreements. The evidence that I'm going to present shortly will demonstrate that he has never, in his utterances in the last 2 years, talked about coalition agreements or power sharing deals that were signed before the election among the Kenya Kwanza political formation. He has been talking directly to communities. He went to Kajiado. He told the people of Kajiado that they do not have shares. He went to Kitui during a church service at AIC Kitui, and he told the people of Ukambani that they should not even be having a cabinet minister in government. He went to Bungoma and told the people of Bungoma that they have had too many appointments in government and the votes they brought are not equivalent to the votes they brought. He went to Nandi and told the people of Nandi that they are a major shareholder and they will benefit more than others in this government. And he has been using the language in direct reference to communities, not to political party formations. Mr. Speaker, without belaboring this point, allow me now to request that the evidence on ethnic profiling and divisive shareholder politics as contained in video 1 and video 4 be played for the House to take note of the evidence.
Hii serikali ni kampuni na ni ya shares. Sindio? Ni ya shares. Kuna wenye kampuni, wale wako na shares, kuna wale wako na chache, kuna wale hawana.
The technicians who are playing, I kindly request that you repeat and you play it with on a higher volume. Please pause it. And I also request, Mr. Speaker, you direct that during the time that we are playing our clips, our time be paused. Please repeat so that members may appreciate and also Kenyans may know that we are not persecuting. We are not persecuting.
Serikali ni kampuni na ni ya shares. Sindio? Ni ya shares. Kuna wenye kampuni, wale wako na shares mingi, kuna wale wako na chache, kuna wale hawana. Sasa nyinyi mliinvest kwa hii kampuni ya William Ruto na Rigathi Gachagua. Sasa lazima mvune. Yule ambaye alipanda atafanya nini?